Hello everyone and welcome back to RysFix, and in this video I will be showing you how to replace this rear view mirror assembly. It's going to be a very interesting video, so like the video now only, and if you are coming on this channel for the first time then see that you subscribe. So first come on the inner side of the door and pull this cover out. Once you pull it out, a wire will be connected to the rear view mirror assembly. Unplug that wire, and once you unplug it you will notice that there are 3 nuts here. These 3 nuts you will have to take out now. Now while taking these 3 nuts out, be careful because your rear view mirror assembly can easily fall on the other side. So here I have taken out my 3 nuts. Now I will go on the outer side of the door. Now go in a relaxing manner. Don't touch the door, otherwise your rear view mirror assembly can fall. So here my rear view mirror assembly is now totally separated from the car. It is so easy, you guys have seen it already. Now to replace this you will have to get a new one, put it back inside and put back the 3 nuts. And once you put back those 3 nuts, plug the wire in and the cover which you had taken out, now push it inside. So if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, bye and take care.